Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check the real battery life or your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the settings of your iPhone, and once you're on this page you'll have to scroll down all the way, and right in the general section you'll be able to find an option of battery. You'll have to tap on it, and you'll be able to find an option of battery percentage and low power mode, and you'll have to tap on battery health and charging, as we want to check the battery health of your Android of or iPhone. Now once you're on this page you'll find an option of maximum capacity, and in my case it is 82%. And when you purchase or buy a new iPhone, you get the battery health of 100%, and after approximately 3 months it decreases by 1%, and it also depends upon the usage. If you're a gamer, it decreases quickly as compared to normal usage. So that's how you can easily check the battery health of your iPhone. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like